I'm love and tenderness.
This film was made on Christmas Eve, 1992, looking at a view of our new house from Toco Lane. Pan in, closer shot. We moved in over Thanksgiving weekend. Had Thanksgiving dinner at Shoney's. I think I made about 14 trips with the pickup truck and getting us moved in. You can see the countryside. All of our neighbors across the street. That's a picture from the road in front. As you can see, it's a non-improved county road.
Feel the wonder. For your free 130-page travel.
They can cut out for the garage and then the rain set in. Hopefully we'll get back to work next week. Picture of the old farm road. Runs out back in the TVA property. A lot of people go hunting out there. From this field, I saw 5 deer up in that field there back in the fall before we moved in. Unimproved. 38-year lease on that dock. View east on Tellico Lake from the end of the dock. We'll pan around if the sun don't get us too much from the woods. Unhappy duck or somebody over there. Pan up across the lake. All the rain we've had, the water's up muddy. Here's a picture of the house from the dock. Another picture of our treeless house. Back to the west. At the end of the pavement, there's the potholes. Picture from 149 Toquo Lane. Our driveway is going to run up and around behind the house. New culvert put in. Toquo Lane, some of the houses back behind us. This is the back of the house and property line. And our one and only tree. It's Toquo Lane on a cold Christmas Eve day. Babaroo's the basset hound. Oh, ears. Picture of back of the house. Where the driveway is going to run. Up around our satellite dish. Miracle of modern technology. There's our deer and rabbit dog. Here's our mud hole and driveway to be and where our garage is going to be. And over our property. That's the one that's not been mowed. Got a walnut tree down there. Somebody's already got all on that, so. And up to the back. One thing I like is the underground utilities. Wall right there to the right of the window. Where we're going to knock that out and have a connector room between the house and the garage. 8 and 14. Hopefully all this will be done in a couple, 3 weeks. We'll be down to 15 tonight. We cold starting cars. We don't get the garage built. Rabbit dog. You don't know what a rabbit was, it jumped over her back. Or this is a deer dog. Look at that. Little pull-off area, 4-hour drive away, unload groceries, whatever. To the dock from the patio, I guess. Which way? Looking into the downstairs den, the back of the house. Downstairs bedroom. There's bath. Room. We called his apartment. The doorway. Nick's Entertainment Center. Junk Center. Nick's beds. That's pretty good for him. The center. This view from the downstairs den. That's where the garage will be. Steps going up the upstairs. Jake's doing a good job of decorating the house. So pretty. There she's carving up the turkey for dinner. He's got his TV up.
Come on, Doc, you're a
So
hockey
loud.
player. How good can you be?
Can't hear anything.
Fix
Pretty pretty.
If you're lucky, a year from now you're going to be in a...
Here's the master bedroom upstairs.
It's a great opportunity. It's figure skating, and I like it.
Dirty windows has got to be clean. Or bedroom. This is a master bathroom upstairs. And jacuzzi. Frame TV. I've wanted for a long time. You can watch in the cutting edge. On Viewer's Choice.
Play on the Mozart. You'll be asleep in no time.
Please try to understand. Douglas is off, and he is back on
Upstairs.
working much better.
Really?
Saleh doing this. Too much is not needed.
It's Christmas and we're scared. I'm completely scared. I have a boyfriend in London that I never see. I see.
Jackie doing what she likes to do best.
Went to Boston.
Kitchen.
Everyone's in such a great mood. I think I'll throw another log on the fire.
Help.
The fact is, I've asked Kate to marry me. She's accepted.
Hey, great. This is great.
How you
I'm not sure to use advice. Hey, I think I'm paying you all together too much.
What you doing? You're studying everything?
Yeah, sure.
Babs the Basset Hound. Trixie Babs. She Babs the Appalachian Basset. Babs is Fleas. The view from the deck. Got a condo for a bird. And the deck where the garage will be soon, I hope. The Basset Hounds are the best. Hey, let me ask you about somebody. About that Heather Wilhite. Huh? You got anything to say? You say a lot fall off our Fred?
You notice that thing was built.
The window so you can see.
The two policemen in Mara and in Monroe. Yeah. Yeah. We need something down here bad. And Dave's over here feeding you. Blackfish just got off and got on the nightstand, but Babs is sitting here looking on privates, and Stripewitz is sitting here like she just don't know what to do. She's right on top of me. Yeah.
Okay, now Maxie's gonna go off. McGee's gonna go off.
Except for essential Abercrombie Radiology closed tomorrow. Rankin Restaurant will open.
Well, it doesn't say it is. Like I said,
Well, mash the red button again down there.
oh, there it is. Okay.
Tonight, first and second shifts on Monday also canceled there. At Avco Wood Products and Vinyl. Kramer Textile and New Task will close tomorrow. Lee Textile in Ewing and Jonesville, Virginia closed tomorrow. Hartley and Lenore City, no first shift on Monday. Tennessee First Health Plan closed tomorrow. JFG Coffee, all plants, office, and distribution center closed tomorrow. Both shifts report to work on Tuesday on regular time. Action Knitwear, first and second shift in Bean Station closed tomorrow. Volunteer Fabricators, Sneedville and Bean Station, along with the Morristown office of Volunteer Fabricators, closed tomorrow. James?
As long as we're reading lists, let's get these. I don't think these have been done in a while. The Knox County Register of Deeds, County Mother Goose Daycare on Rutledge Pike closed tomorrow. K-Trans.
Those are governmental employees, but that does not include, of course, the Knox County Sheriff's Department.
All right, there's
or
the church.
E911, people like that, the emergency services.
I believe the city is under that same situation.
I believe so.
I think all city offices will be closed, except for, of course, the police and fire departments and road crews.
Right. The city offices
What
will
city?
be closed tomorrow, and county offices closed as well.
Did it say
Also
Maryville?
closed tomorrow. Here's a list of closings. All these are tomorrow. The Epilepsy Foundation is closed. Wheeler School of Karate for test and promotion has been postponed for 1 week. Graham's Child Care on West End Avenue
I
in
wish they
Barrington.
would
Valley
close.
Grove
I don't have to
Baptist
worry about trying to get
Central
there.
Baptist of Bearden Preschool weekdays.
I mean, I don't worry about getting there, but you need my car.
Village Play School Daycare in Marigold. Little White House
You gotta go, I
Daycare
thank
Center.
you.
Fairfax Developmental Center on Central Avenue Pike is
recording?
closed
Yeah,
on
you want me to
Monday.
turn it on?
And the
Yeah,
center
right
on
there.
West Lonsdale Daycare.
Well, I want to
they're
be
closed
sure we got
tomorrow
enough
as well. Knoxville
battery
Surgery
for
Center
that.
on
What's it
Park
say?
Road
E.
is closed tomorrow.
It's got an E
Knox County
flashing.
Public Library closed today, and we mentioned they were trying to open
What's
up
that mean?
tomorrow at,
Go ahead and turn it off if they can.
If they
Okay, it's on. I'll turn that off. see?
Well, that's just makes batteries, you know, it's still running.
Yeah.
Picture go off and go over there.
Oh gosh. Oh, there's a tree. No wonder.
And that's what I'm saying. It's what they got such a...
No, it was a tree. It was somebody lost something.
Oh, probably.
No, it looked like a bell or some sort, or maybe a chain, something on wires. I don't know.
Yeah, ain't nobody been over there.
It's probably real deep.
You can burn one down for me, so you don't matter anymore. I've convinced myself I'm sure as if I give a damn. That's just the way I am. So go on and pour yourself some wine.
I ain't no piece of the road or not.
I know it. I don't think it is. We're awful close to these people's mailboxes.
A lot of wet weather, heavy thunderstorms down in Texas, eastern Texas, possibility of tornadoes and scattered showers spreading up into the midsection of the country. Western Great Lakes will see some light snow as well later today. Thickening clouds as you work your way into the southwest. And in the Rockies, we've got windy conditions and wet weather as well. Sunshine in the southwest and down into southern California, but a lot of wet weather will be into the northwest. That's what's going on around the country. Think what's happening in your neck of the woods.
Good morning. A lot of sunshine and winds out of the southwest will warm us up to around 40 today. Then for tonight, not quite as cold, lows dropping off into the 20s with increasing clouds by morning. A chance of light mixed precipitation, then by afternoon, just plain old rain, high temperatures in the mid-50s. Now across the southeast, high pressure in control from New England all the way down to the Gulf Coast. This is bitter cold high pressure. This will move on off to the east, allowing southerly winds to warm us up right through the period. Here's the current temperature.
13 minutes past the hour. Now here's Brian. All right.
Here's the shelter.
Yeah, here at the shelter. We'll have to worry about our dog having puppies. She'll jump bed with anybody. 15 after 8.
There's the record in there.
They got some of the trees out of the way, didn't they?
There was a guy cutting it last night when we came through, that one that was through here.
You got 2 lanes now, Dad.
Almost, yeah.
Daryl's up at Terry's. Yeah, you got 2 lanes now.
Whose car?
Travis Silver's up there. Why did up there?
What you don't understand is I can't get it around there, okay?
Everybody all right back there?
Yeah. Sledding down. Dad, what's all those diamonds look like things on it? Does that mean it's melting? Look like things on the snow. See it? When you go through it.
I don't know what you're talking. Oh, the shiny stuff?
Yeah.
That's just the sun shining on it.
Look, that's perfect sled. Looks like that.
Subaru's still there.
Yeah.
Must be somebody from Mount State.
They're just giving it up. You're about to run over a bird.
Yeah, birdie.
I don't think he can go much further, bless his heart.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yours is bad. Just sit back there up on my lap.
Yeah, we don't have much further to go.
Look at Bass, Mom.
I don't think I can get her.
Turn around, Bob. You're on candid camera.
Babs.
The Duke Bear. Oh,
I get that tree out there, yeah.
I missed it. Is the tree still there?
yeah, you're cool. She's cool. Babs is the coolest dog. Dad, I think you get up over that hill today.
Check it out first.
Knoxville's New Country Hit Kicker 100.3 FM WOKI.
Here's Dumbo. Watch her fly.
No, but not that lonely. It's thick.
All right, thanks, Roger. We'll take a commercial break here right now, and we'll come back in just a second. For just $12 at the door.
We need to get some snow. Put it in the back of the commode so we can flush the commodes.
Has this ever happened to you? You listen and then just sit
You're gonna have to scoot over. You're gonna have to scoot over.
Check this out. You know we're gonna do this out here, but did you realize every time you laugh, you burn up 3.5 calories? I'm serious. We're gonna do our never-ending battle. Truth, justice, and weight loss.
Here's some sliding up there.
Just keep chuckling.
I bet it's more than smiling. We go down there and play with you.
And that is shellfish getting a bad rap these days. With all the talk about cholesterol,
yeah,
the truth is that shrimp, lobster, and
they're going to end up in one.
Get a dog. That's Corey.
Corey must be feeling better today.
Yeah.
And I think you kind of set him off when you said he couldn't go play in the snow.
Saturated fat is the greater overall fat.
I'd say you couldn't go. I said you couldn't go.
Just be sure to skip the butter. Join me for another Better Living update from Healthy Choice.
What happens when people get a taste of Healthy Choice soup? They keep coming back for more. More savory.
No, Dad, we might be down there.
Meats and crisp vegetables. After all, since we have less salt and fat.
Can we go down there, Dad?
Huh?
Dad, can we go down there?
Yeah, I don't care.
Rich home simmered taste.
I got the sauce.
More variety, more flavor, more of what
The first, before you do, I want the shovel back up to the house.
Okay.
We've been telling you about the friendly neighborhood service Butler and Bailey Market offers its customers in the North Shore, Rocky Hill area. Well, just a few miles out of North Shore is Ford.
Are you going to use your boots, Dave?
Jason got it.
No, they're right here. I was going to let Jason use them.
Department that's worth a drive from anywhere. You find low prices too, like a 6.5-ounce can of Starfish tuna.
I can at least go this far.
The 2.5-size can of Hunt's Halves or sliced
I
pizza is
hate
just
to get
89
there.
cents. Get the 4-roll package of soft and gentle bathroom tissue for only 69 cents. Butler and Bailey has
Try it, Dad.
At least go on down to this. That.
Yeah. And a 10-pound bag of U.S. #1 russet potatoes is only $1.39. And of
Look,
course,
it ain't
Butler
as
and
bad
Bailey
as
always
it
offers double
We're going up other
coupons
hills.
up to 50 cents an item. Whether you're in Sequoia Hills or Concord or just right in the Rocky Hill neighborhood, you'll find everything you need with a lot less hassle at Butler and Bailey Market in the Rocky Hill Center on North Shore Drive. It's your store.
There's our home.
Nobody plays more turtles than West 105.3. Good morning. Stormy Ray's West 105 weather forecast calls for some sunshine to continue today. And we'll also warm up into the low 40s before it's all over today. That's going to help clear up the very icy, very treacherous road conditions. For tonight, increasing clouds and cold again with a low
I can't get.
maybe a slight chance of some snow after midnight. Not much, though. Then tomorrow, plenty of rain likely. Expect a
Over here, Babs.
54.
Oh,
Again,
gosh,
if you have to
Babs.
drive, be very careful. The best idea is to stay inside.
One out.
105.3 in the Metro West, 96.7 north and downtown. We're good time at West 105.
Door too for us. Jump it. Where are those other panels, dude? Oh, no, man. I don't Putting those on too. You got yours on?
Jason, you won't need those warm-up pants of mine, so give them to me and I'll take them and wash them, okay, with all these other stuff we're going to go wash. Because those ski pants will be real warm.
You mean I won't let them put on my boots so I won't get snow in them?
You can do that with the ski pants.
Okay.
Just give me that falling.
Huh? No.
That falling.
What do you think?
Yeah.
She shut the door behind her.
Babs, I'll let her out. She was.
Yeah.
Can you get down it?
What do you call it? Snow hollow? Snowy hollow?
If that car made it out, then we surely can.
Yeah. This is just a little strip right through here. It's only one. I get the crunchy stuff. I believe make it okay.
I don't know where you want to park it, it's the thing. Certainly not our driveway.
I'm probably going to come back around and go right back down here for a log here to smoke it.
I don't think you have to worry about snowplow coming through. I do, see how far you can go. The dish is fine. The stuff's melted off it.
So deep it is right there. You wanna go up right here? Everybody's gets any place, don't she?
It's real deep though.
Right here?
Yes, that's where we fell in the other night when we were trying to dig the game board out. It's up to my thighs.
Oh, get it, Jim, baby, get it. From Riverbend and all the Metro West. Good time. Right here on the West 105.
There's Jake. Remember, we got a ditch over here too. That ain't giving people very good room, though.
Why don't you look over here?
All right.
Will you?